In this video, we will show you how to install AutoNovia's universal car door lights. For this installation, you'll need AutoNovia's car door lights, 6 AAA batteries, 3 for each projector, a cleaning cloth, and any car interior cleaner. To start, you will need to clean the door panel and inner door frame to remove any dirt and grease. This is to ensure longer adhesive life when it comes to sticking your tape. Now place the batteries into the projector. Next, take the bigger of the 2 tapes and peel the yellow side off and stick it onto the back of the projector, making sure the tape matches the shape of your lights. Now position where you would like the lights, making sure your projector is flat and in line with the horizontal edge. Do not stick on the curved area of the door panel as highlighted in the video, as this would cause your door not to close. Once you know where to position the projector, peel the red tape off and stick it on the door panel by applying a little bit of pressure to the projector. Now moving on to your magnetic strip, peel the yellow side off the smaller tape and stick it onto the magnet. Peel the red tape and position the magnet where the sensor would be above it when the door is fully closed. This will vary from car to car. The projector will switch off when the door is closed. Thank you for watching this installation video by AutoNovia. Please follow us on Instagram and visit our website for more car accessories. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell notification to get notified when we upload more content.